Hello everyone. Welcome to Channel Nitrix. Today we will be unboxing the AYANEO Pocket Micro, showing off its compact and premium design. The device has been praised for its sturdy build quality, featuring a high-resolution display and responsive controls. AYANEO Pocket Micro integrates classic elements on the basis of ensuring a screen display and gripping experience. With a larger 3.5-inch screen and a body width of 63 mm, it restores the compact chassis that can carry it at any time, and it can be carried easily. AYANEO Pocket Micro is equipped with a 3.5-inch native color display with a resolution of 960 by 640 IPS. The color and brightness performance are naturally the highest level in the industry that AYANEO insists on. More importantly, because its resolution is 4x that of GBA and the 3. Most suitable for retro gaming, 2 ratio, just simple settings can give you 4x GBA non-extended full-screen gaming screen. The body makes the holding experience more comfortable, and the holding experience is similar to that of a thin and light mobile phone. The device comes from the top with a ventilation hole to enhance cooling, with a smart fingerprint sensor with a quick response, with buttons to increase and decrease the volume. In addition, the 4 keys that are placed on the shoulder are key keys. Soft to touch with clear texture and can be operated in any position. Taking into account the frequency of use, the L1 R1 key area can completely cover the fingertips, and the partition design is used between the L2 R2 key and the L2 R2 key. At the same time, the L2 R2 key adopts a raised design to make it easier for players to distinguish the feeling between the 2 sets of keys. In a lightweight and portable body that is comparable to a handheld Android, Pocket Micro is equipped with a 2,600 mAh battery and weighs only 233 grams, achieving a good balance between the overall size and weight.